Hey everybody, StogieFarts here. This is going to be another edition for my Pipe Smoking for Beginners series. First off, this is a pipe made by Soren. He's over, I believe, in the Netherlands or Denmark. He's in Denmark. And is the Netherlands Denmark? I get those, I think it's all the same, isn't it? Anyway. Excuse my ignorance, but I had somebody ask me, what do you do with the ash? Do you leave it in there? Do you dump it out? Smoke it all the way down? Well, it all depends on the pipe, and usually the size of the pipe. For example, this is sort of a larger pipe, I would say, and typically with larger pipes, I personally cannot smoke it all the way down without dumping the ash. It just gets to a point where it might be a little hard to stay lit, or it might start just not getting a good draw. So typically what I do, and you can see inside here, oops, sorry about that. I filled this all the way up when I started, but I haven't emptied it. But you could see it's almost about halfway down. And that's because every now and then you just kind of tamp it down, and it presses it down further and further into the bowl. And eventually what you'll do with larger pipes is that ash becomes very loose and very fine. And when that happens, you could just, well, where'd my ashtray go? It's hiding somewhere, but well, we'll just use this dead plant. You just can tip it over and just do a little tap with your finger. And you could see that will loosen or actually get rid of any loose ash that's on the top. And that's it. With some smaller bowls, you don't really need to empty it that much. You might be able to smoke it all the way down. And then by the time you're done, there'll be nothing but ash in there. But again, some of the larger pipes, I tend to smoke about maybe, I smoke and tamp, till it's about halfway down, maybe a little bit more than halfway down, and then I'll just kind of stir it up a little bit with the tamping tool, little poker. Just kind of poke it a little bit, tip the pipe upside down, give it a couple taps with my finger, and then keep going, and that's what I do. If you have any other questions, just let me know. There's my daughter, and I'll clear them up for you. That's it. Talk to you later.